Hello everyone. Now I am starting a new topic, trick to calculate bond order according to molecular orbital theory. Generally we call it MOT. Simple trick to calculate the bond order and magnetic nature of any molecules. How can you calculate? Just this is a very simple trick. Just only you do all of you write 1 to 20 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Everyone you know. Now after that you do one thing, 14 you mark it. This is the bracket. This is showing the total electron. And this one, second line I am writing bond order. Just in the place of the 14 you write 3. After whenever you are moving the right side or a left side, you decrease 0.5 consecutively. Just 3 minus 0.5 to 2.5. Similarly so on. Now in 16 this value will come to 1.5, 1, 0.5 and this will become 0. Come to the this side again 0.5, sorry, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1, 0.5, 0. After this, what will you do? You do increase till 1 and then decrease. Okay, just like what I am saying. Again increase 0.5. So this is 0.5. Again 0.5 you increase. This will come 1. Again and now decrease 0.5 and then again 0. After that again increase 0.5, 1 and last one 0.5. Increase till to 1 and then decrease till to 0 after 8. Okay, now if it is over then you mark the 2 point again and atomic number you mark total electron 16 and total number of electron 10. These two again you mark it. After that, if you are carrying the whole number, positive number, this is a 1 2 3 whole number, you can not a positive number, not a fractional. Okay, this is the fractional. Just you can see 1.5 is fractional, 0.5 is fractional. Okay, if number is fractional, number bond order is fractional in the bond order, the nature of the molecule will be a paramagnetic. If number is not fractional, bond order I am saying, then it is diamagnetic. Now, this rule will applicable for all the element except the total number of electron 10 and total number of electron 16. Now come to the point. Just one more point I'm writing here. This point you remember, higher bond order, higher bond order, that means higher stability, higher stability. It means less bond length is least. You remember This is only. Now I'm going to tell you some question which is asked in the different IIT means and NEET examination in the different year. According to this rule, you can do any one question easily. Just you see, I'm going to rub this one. Just I'm taking the one example. This question is asked in the 2007 IIT mains. Question is that the species having bond order different from the CO different bond order, different bond order. Which one is the different bond order than CO? Option are there. The NO negative. B option is given here. NO positive. C option. CN negative. D option. And now you can do easily. This is rule. Everyone you know that C means carbon containing last. Now you see CO one by one. C means carbon is a 6 electron plus oxygen is 8. Total 14. 14 means bond order will be 3. Bond order equal to. This is clear. Come to the point A, B and C option. A option, nitrogen is 7 atomic number plus oxygen is 8 atomic number and negative charge whenever you have seen here, then plus 1. So now total electron is a 16. That means bond order equal to 2. Just you see. Second B option, NO positive. N means 7 plus oxygen is again 8 plus charge when come, then it will minus 1. Then again it become 14. Then bond order equal to 3. Thus you see the 14 3. C option come. C is Cn negative. C is equal to how much? 6 plus nitrogen 7 minus charge here plus 1 then equal to 14. So then bond order equal to 3. Now come to the D option. Nitrogen N, you people know that 7, again 7 and 2, then total electron equal to 14, then bond order will be equal to 3. So now you can easily calculate. Now just you tell me that here the CO bond order is 3. The question is that different bond order. Different bond order which one? That is option number A. So our correct answer is A. And now second one question, you remember the point, this one. Now come to the next. This question is asked in the examination in NEET 2015. Which of the following option represent the correct bond order? Question is that correct bond order. Correct bond order. Option A is O2 negative greater O2 less O2 positive. B option is given here O2 negative O2 and then O2 positive. C option O2 negative O2 O2 positive. D option O2 negative O2 and O2 positive. In this one you see easily can calculate the bond order. Now come to the point here O2 negative, just 3 elements are there. One is O2 negative, just you write in the side O2 and O2 positive. O2 negative means 2 oxygen, A2 is 16 and 1 negative charge means plus 1. Total electron equal to 17 and just you see 17 bond order 1.5. Second point O2 only 16, then bond order 16 2. Then O2 positive means 16 minus 1 that is equal to 15 that equal to 2.5. Just you see 2.5. So now which one is the bond order maximum? Just O2 positive, then O2, then O2 negative. This is correct order. Now you see O2 positive, O2 and O2 negative, answer B is correct. This is question is asked in the NEET 2015. Now come to the next one, just one more question which is asked in the NEET 2012. Just I am writing here. Question is that which of the following pair of species have same bond order? The question is the same bond order. Option are A is O2 negative and Cn negative. B option is NO positive, Cn positive. C option is Cn negative, NO positive. D option is Cn negative and Cn positive. How will you do this one question? You write simply whatever element are given here. First one is O2 negative. O2 negative means it was just 16 total, minus 1 means plus 1, that equal to 17 electron, and 17 electron mean 1.5 bond order. Second one is Cn negative. Cn negative, C means 6, N means 7, and negative means plus 1, so total is equal to 14. This is bond order 3. So this is not a correct answer. This is wrong. Second option, you come to the second point option. Second one is NO positive and Cn positive. Nitrogen is 7, oxygen 8, minus 1, that is equal to 14. 14 means 3 bond order, and C6 plus 7 and minus plus means minus 1, so that equal to 12. 12 means bond order 2. Then this is again a wrong option. Come to the next one, Cn negative and O positive. 6 plus 7 plus 1, 14. 14 means 3, and 7 plus 8 minus 1, 14, that is equal to 3. This is the bond order 3, 3, that is correct answer. No need to come to forward again to calculate for the next one. This method is so easy to calculate the bond order of any molecules